Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is pretty much, it's another day, but I'm actually preparing. I hear that we're supposed to get a lot of snow. Tomorrow's actually Martin Luther King Day, so thank God I'm off work. So I just went and I grabbed a brush so I can have a new brush, a good sturdy brush for the car. I'm gonna go to the supermarket, grab a few things.
Made your way with Bob's Red Mill.
Come eat, Harlem. I gotta force you to eat. Eat. Eat your food. Eat your food. Who told you to start jumping on me? Eat your food. So I'm considering separating them when I feed them because, as you guys can see, Hunter refuses to stay in her bowl, which is down here. So she's up with eating Harlem in his bowl. Hey y'all, so I am back home. I did a whole bunch. I walked the dogs, I fed them. I even got something to eat. I'm gonna start breaking down at least this tree in here. I figure I can't procrastinate. I gotta just do it. So while I am a little tired from the run out today, I'm like, you know what? Nope. Keep going. At least give myself an hour and a half to 2 hours. And we're going to see what I can do in that amount of time. Again, just going to clean out this area and definitely put that up. So really quickly, before I put all of the ornaments up into the box, I just wanted to lay it all out by color. As you can see on this tree, I like to keep it neutrals kind of, so you have the whites, the golds and the silvers, and then over to the bronze, and this is like champagne over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of this, and then I'm gonna get the picture printed, and then I'm gonna tape the picture to the box so that next time I clearly know, like, these are the ornaments that are in this box. That's how I'm gonna try to organize it. I did put a written note on the box, but I'm also gonna do the picture. And just to show you guys again, so just color coded everything. These colors actually look so good. Let me see if I can zoom out. All right, there we go. But these colors look so good in here, and especially on this tree because of the white walls and because of the brown table. So having this tree, and then of course the greenery around it. So it just, these colors look really great on this tree. I want to keep these colors up. And if I was to do anything else, get some more. Like, I kind of remember where I got most of these Christmas decorations from, so I'm definitely going to be able to remember for next year. Started already.
Of the United States, the Honorable Donald John Trump.
Execute.
That I will faithfully execute
The office of President of the United States.
the office of President of the United States.
Hunter's first time out and on the ground, and it's snowing. Hopefully you don't start trying to eat that stuff. Stop, Harlem. You gotta get used to being on the ground. Come on, Hunter. Good girl. Good girl. Go. Now you don't want to go in? How was that? For your first time?